Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ellie from The Last of Us. So let's get started. To draw cute Ellie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now I have my circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so now I have my eyes in. I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. Nice simple lashes, so just maybe like two of them right here on the sides. And then let's come up and about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve over her eye for her brow. And same thing right across, about right here. It's a soft curve. And then let's give her a sweet little smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a small curve and slightly go upwards and cap it off. There. Then let's go ahead, we're going to frame her face. So let's come back to the top of her eye where her lashes are really close to it. I'm just going to give myself a point on both sides, about right there. And then I'm going to proceed to draw the bottom of a U to create her face. So around her eye. And then I'm going to find my center, so it's a little bit easier to see where I'm going. So say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect a curve all the way to that point, to my center, and then same thing on the other side. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to help you draw this curve. There, so this nice round face right here. And then I'm going to bring this curve up a little bit towards the brow area, a little bit higher. And then let's come back into where her eye area is and we're going to draw her ears. So I'm going to pop out a curve for ear, draw in some details, and same thing on the other side. About right here. And pop in those ears and the detail. Then from there, she has her hair pulled up in a ponytail. And I'm just going to imagine an oval as I draw this. So about right here. Just say about right here. Give myself a point right in the center. And I'm going to, let's see here, just going to give it a slight curve upwards and then bring it back down to here. She doesn't have a distinct V shape, so I'm just going to do it very softly. And then in this area, if you're using a pencil, just do the same thing on the other side, bring it there. But I don't want to erase. I'm going to come right here and draw a strand of hair. I'm going to pop this out and just wobble my way. Let's just kind of tuck it into here. And I'm going to thicken it up. I'm just going to draw a strand of hair. And then come back and draw a curve to finish it off. So as if it's just coming from the center. And then just imagine you're drawing the same thing on the other side and about right here, pop out. And connect back right there. So I think I went a little too high on this side, so I'll bring this down. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to this space. Like I said, her hair is in a ponytail, so we're just going to go ahead and say about right here, not too high, about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and bring it down. Give it a little bit of angle about right here, and then angle it in. So same thing here, just so it's not like a big dome. Just give it some angles a little bit. So about right here, and I taper it in and then bring it in. There. Just play around with it. Then from there, let's give some definition to her hair. So let's come back to the center, and I'm just going to softly draw these curves right here and maybe here, just to give her hair some definition. And then from there, let's see, we're going to have to draw a bunch of strands. So let's come back to say about right here. We'll just add in a strand right over her ear. So I'm gonna have to go in there and erase, thicken it up, because she has all this hair kind of popping around everywhere. Let's put one here. So I should have drawn these strands first. I totally forgot. But hopefully you're using a pencil at home and it doesn't matter. You can just erase that. And let's see here. I know it's not gonna hit her outfit, so I'll just come in here and draw another strand here and there. Just add some strands without, hopefully it won't look like she has a bunch of worms around her hair, but our goal is just to break up this plain hairdo. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and finish her outfit. So let's come back to the center about right here and here. Let's give her a little neck. And then from there, because she's wearing a hoodie, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to curve this down. And then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to kind of wobble a little bit. So usually it would just be like a smooth curve right here for her shoulders, but I'm just going to wobble a little bit on both sides because she's wearing a hoodie that's opened up, so that's why I'm kind of wobbling a little bit. And let's bring this down. So we're going to open it up. And let's come back into this space and we're going to draw her shirt. So now we know that's her neck, and we're going to thicken that up right here. And so let's come back to here. So this is kind of like where her shoulder is. There. So then now you know that's her shoulder. We're going to come back right here and bring this in. So sorry if I'm making it confusing, but we want to just be able to separate this piece right here so that we know her hoodie is overlapped over. Okay, so then from there, let's just go ahead and bring this down. Bring this down, and we're going to come back into this space about here and draw a curve. So I'm just going to continue this down. This is the side of her hoodie, and I'll bring it down even more. So let's say going back and forth here. I want her shirt to end about right here. So it's a low t-shirt that she's wearing inside. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to come in a little bit and connect. So same thing here, just play around with the proportions and connect. And then right here, we're going to give her hoodie a little part right here and here as well. Cuff. I don't even know what they're called. I think that this is like the cuff of the hoodie, right? And then we can go ahead and finally finish off her hoodie. So we're just gonna wobble a little bit to bring it in. There. So hopefully I've captured the look. And then from there, we're gonna come in between right here and just gonna draw a slight curve line for her shirt. Then come right close to that, and we're just going to draw an angle line right in the center. And from there, I'm going to part it with 2 angle lines. And we're going to come back to this space right here and here to draw her pants. So I'm going to work on this side first. Let's bring this down. So I'm having her legs kind of close together. So this part is going to kind of get muddled up a little bit as I draw this angle. And let's say about that long. And then let's bring this in. So I'm going to get a little bit thinner as we come down. And about right here, I'm going to stop short and give it a little curve and then come down to connect. So same thing on this side. So about right here is where it's going to end. So I'm just going to bring this down. And same thing here. Just a little bit thinner as we come down. And about right here, same as the other side. I'm just going to wobble up and then come down. So in this space, come down, and I'm just going to tuck in her shoes. Get a curve and connect. Right there. And same thing here. Nope, maybe a little too big. And connect. There. Okay, so we have her feet in. And you can come in here if you want to give it a little sole. Right there. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So I'm having them close to her side. So we're going to bring them down. Her hands are going to be below this part right here. So I'm going to use this, the side of her body, come down. And about right here, pop it up a little bit and connect. And then let's give it a cuff and connect, and then her fingers. So little thumb, round for her fingers, and angle and in. So same thing here. So just use this part right here. Just draw a little curve, pop this out a little bit, and connect, and then a cuff. And fingers. There. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Make this a little bit down, and let's see here. I'm gonna give her a little heart right here on her hoodie to make her my Draw So Cute Ellie from The Last of Us, and we can add some more strands of hair here and there, and maybe about one more here, and then need to put in her indication of her ponytail. So I'll just draw a little curve right there. So when you're coloring, just add some color right here so we know that she has a ponytail. So let's see what else we can add. That is pretty much it. And I'll come in here and erase this part. So you can see a little bit better. But like I said, hopefully we haven't made it look like she has a bunch of worms under her hair. But that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw Ellie here from The Last of Us, and I made this fun and easy for you to follow along. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.